Activity time! Let's have our first activity. Listen carefully as we do together.
Find the letter X. Are you ready? Let's find it! Here we go. Alright, the first one is correct. How about this one? Yeah, it's wrong because that is letter Z. How about the next one? It is letter Y. That's why it is marked X here. Yes, it's letter X. Very good. Letter A. Yeah, it's marked X also here because it's not letter X. Letter Y. No. Letter X. Yes. Okay, letter X again. Yes. Oh, letter Y. No, it doesn't belong. Next, yes, it is X. Okay, letter C, no. Letter Z or Z, no. And lastly, letter X is yes. Good job, everyone! Hooray! That's great! Alright, let's go to activity 2. You are going to answer the question, what is it? To answer this question, you have to start by saying, it is a, then followed by the picture, okay? Or you can also say, it is an. It depends if the picture begins with vowel sounds, okay? Like a, e, I, o, a. So those are vowel sounds. Okay, let's start. What's the first picture? It is a... What is it? Yes, you're right. It's a xylophone. Very good. Alright, let's go to the next. What is it? It is number... Correct! Number 6. Wow! Wonderful. What is it? What is it? What do you think is behind this yellow rectangle? It is a what? It is a wax. Okay, that's great. What is it? What is it? I don't know. What is it? What is it? It is a... Correct! It is a box. Wonderful. Great job. Next one. What is it? What is it? Please tell me. What is it? What is it? It is a... Yes! Great job. It is an X-ray. It is an X-ray. Next one. What is it? What is it? It is a... mix. A picture of a mix. Very good. Okay, next one. What is it? What is it? Please tell me. What is it? It is a... a fox. Yes, hooray, you did it. Next. What is it? What is it? Please tell me. What is it? What is it? What is it? It is a picture of fix. Great job! Wow, amazing! Let's go to the next activity. Activity 3. What are you going to do? Help the fox find the words that begin with letter X. Okay, are you ready? Here we go. Which picture has the X sound? Is it number 1 or number 2? Hooray! Number 1! And that is box. Great job! Next, which picture has the X sound? Number 1 or number 2? Is it butterfly or mix? Great job! Hooray! Next, which one has the sound? Is it 1, bat, 2, 6, And your answer is wonderful! Which one has the x sound? Is it number 1, fix, number 2, bag? And your answer is awesome! Let's go to the next. Which picture has the x sound? Number 1, xylophone. Number 2, boy. Correct! Great job! Wow, amazing! How about this? Which one has the x sound? Number 1, bat. Number 2, X-ray. And you are correct. How about this? Number 1, wax. Number 2, bicycle. And you are right. Wow. Next, we have number 1, banana. Number 2, fox. Which has the sound? Correct. Great job. Hooray! You did great today.
It's time to say goodbye, everyone. I'll see you next time. Goodbye. God bless.